Hello, I think I'm live now. Yeah. My name is Komal for those of you who are joining me, and I am today going to be talking about something called access bars, which has completely changed my life and really changed things for me. So I will be talking about that. I'm just gonna wait to see if somebody joins me for a while and then begin. It's been raining where I am. I wonder how is your city looking and what's up with you. I think I'll begin now. I won't wait anymore, or I'm just gonna wait a while. I think I'll start. Yeah. So the first time I got my bars run was 2 years back when I was pretty lost at that time, to say the least. I was very anxious. I was lost. I've always been looking for something which makes me happy from within, and I had tried everything. I had tried from the normal education to everything, but nothing really made me happy from within. And hi, Sanket. So yeah, 2 years back was the first time I got my bars run, and that happened by accident because I was extremely anxious at that point of time, and I was just looking for something which will, help me reduce the anxiety, because I was just anxious about how my future would be, and what is it that I'm here to do, and all of those questions were in my head constantly. And somebody was offering a free bar session, and I just pinged them and I told them that it just felt very light, so I told them that I would like to come and see how this bars thing functions and everything. And so my experience of my first bar session was that the moment it started, so these are 32 points in your head, those are the access bars, and the moment it started, I fell asleep, I was out the whole session. I don't remember a thing, but I remember waking up for the first time feeling like I didn't have any thoughts in my head. And that was such a new experience for me, because before that I was always like an overthinker, or whatever you want to name it. I always used to think a lot, and because I used to think a lot, it always stopped me from choosing what I really wanted to choose, because there would just be these constant barrage of thoughts and feelings and emotions, and there was no clarity in my world up till then. And I remember after my bar session just feeling so light and feeling like, oh my god, I don't have a single thought in my head, and how does it get better than that? And I remember going out, and I took an auto back home and everything, and all throughout there was just this lightness, and it was such a relief, not just to my head, but to my entire body, because how heavy are your thoughts really. Like every time you think, it's almost like it clouds up what you really want to choose, or what you really want to go towards. So bars essentially helps reduce the thoughts that you're having. It helps reduce um, just this constant chatter which you feel like you have no control over. But what if there was a way to really remove them from within? So then I got my bars run, and I think after that, like the end of that month, there was somebody taking a bars class, and I was just like, yeah, this. I knew that it works, because I knew every time I get my bars run, I wake up feeling like lighter and happier and like more of me, because beyond those thoughts and beyond those constant feelings and emotions is what you truly desire, and is what you truly wish to do in the world, or to choose and to be. And I knew that bars sort of took me one step closer to that. So I attended my first bars class, and I learned how to so in your bars class you get a few tools. It's the first step of something called Access Consciousness. You get a few tools regarding how to create your life, and you also learn how to gift bars. So then I learned, where the points are, etc., etc., and now I was able to like gift bars. And so now every time, like even at home and everything, if things would get too tense or anything, I would run my mother's bars, for example, or I would run my father's bars. And and I could see that every time I ran somebody's bars, even they woke up feeling like just this like different person, because suddenly that heaviness wasn't there in their world anymore, and it was lighter, it was more happier, even if it's just for that 1 hour. So I started realizing that it works, and I know that everybody who gets a session wakes up feeling just different. Because how many times do we even think, what are we beyond our thoughts, feelings, emotions? Like there's a different world which is possible beyond that, and bars helps you sort of one step closer to that. So, and then I forgot about it. So then I learned that class, and I was just like, okay, cool, whatever. And I was still sort of at that time I didn't have a regular job or anything, so I was still looking for, okay, what next, what next. And but none of the jobs I was looking at or anything was sort of making me happy. And then one fine day, around like a month after my bars class and everything, I just I saw something of Khushbu, like she's somebody whom I work with, and Earthlings is where I work at. So I just spotted something on Facebook of theirs, and I was just like, and it felt so. So there's a tool you get in the bars class which is called light or heavy, wherein if something is light, that is true for you. If something feels light, that is inherently true for you. And if something is heavy, then it's a lie. And I remember just coming across something of Earthlings, and it lit up my entire world. And I was like, okay, I really would like to go to this place. And, I would really like to, if there's something I want to do, I'm going to do it right here. And I wrote an email to Khushbu, and I just, it was a shot in the dark, because I was just like, yeah, like whatever you have, like I'll come there and I'll do it, because something matched what I was asking for, and nothing else in my life up till then was matching what I truly desired. And so I wrote her a mail, and then I got a response from her a few days back. And she was more than happy. She was like, yeah, come over. And then I went there, and I realized that there was an opening there. They were looking for somebody to help them with social media and everything. And those were the skills I had. So then I started working there. And, from the day one, I was just like, there was just this sense of, oh my God, like this is the work I really, really want to do. This is... So the idea of Earthlings is that having happy humans on our planet is as important as having anything else, like for a thriving earth, having thriving human beings who are happy, genuinely happy from within, is extremely essential. And the moment I heard that, I was like, oh my God, yes, this is what I've been asking for. This is what I have deeply, really been asking for all my life, because I know this is possible. And if there is any work that I would want to do, I would want to do this sort of work, which sort of is in this direction. And so why I'm telling this whole story of how I found my job and everything is because every time you get your bars run, every time you attend a bars class, or it starts taking you closer to what is it that you truly desire. Because like I said, it's like a deletion process. It deletes the point of views that you have around everything in your life, from like money to relationships to your identity and your personality. Like since you're small to now, we have like taken on all these points of views, which tells you that, oh, you should be this, you should be that, you should be this. And it's almost like they keep you caught up and prevent you from like being what you truly really wish to be and wish to show up as in the world. And what if you could finally show up as that in the world? So access bars is something which will take you closer to what you truly want to be. There's something we say which is like, bars brings you to the space of you. So what is it that you all have been like, people who are watching this, what have you been like really asking for all your life, and is now the time to like get clear, and is now the time to really discover for yourself, that what, like, who are you beyond your thoughts, feelings, emotions, really. Like, half of us don't even know. And attending a bars class, getting your bars run, gets you one step closer to that. This is my invitation, because bars, even now, every month I make it a point to get my bars run at least twice. More the merrier, but at least twice I always make it a point to get my bars run. Every time I'm feeling cranky, I'm stressed, and I just go get my bars run, and I wake up feeling like a different person, because all that chatter in my mind just goes away. And uh, and the more you get your bars run, the more you get closer to your space, the space which you truly are, which you have always been looking for. So this is my invitation. If you're in Pune, on Monday I'm having a bars class on the 16th of August. You can DM me if you wish to know more. The link is in my bio. And any other question about bars, you can always just ask me. I'm here. This is pretty much what I do now. And so yeah, uh, what futures have you always been asking for? And is now the time. See you. Thank you so much for joining me.